Because an automatic car wash may not always get the job done, at Cool Wranglers we offer a comprehensive car wash service exclusively for our customers. We utilise a foaming technique on the entire length of your vehicle's body that gets rid of even the toughest dirt. And for our off-roaders, to minimise the risk of rust or corrosion, we offer an optional complete undercarriage soaping and rinsing, so you can continue to enjoy life off the road to the fullest. The result, a spotless finish, top to bottom. Cool Wranglers. Book your appointment today.